Good morning. Whew. It is almost 10:30, 11 o'clock in the morning. I've already been moving some cactus, cutting some. Hi, Sammy. Yeah, we're fixing to leave. Moving some cactus, cutting some, raking it. So much already that my hands are shaking, my arms are shaking. I've been hauling the trash can back and forth and dumping it, and hang on. Little girl wants to come outside. You can come outside? She says, yes, I do. Okay. I may have mentioned already that there are stray dogs around here, so I do put her on the leash. Plus, I saw a bunny this morning. I see all kinds of wildlife out here. I don't want her to listen to the birds. I don't want her running off or chasing an animal, so a deer or so anyway, I am heading into town today. I need to get some food for Sammy so I can cook her some food. So I need to go. Is your tail wagging? You can tell when she's really excited because her tail goes in circles. Ugh. I need some water. So let's drink some coffee. Anyway, so I'm hot, sweaty. I think I'm already done for the day of getting out here and working on the property and moving some cactus around and cutting some bushes down. And Sammy, come here. So we are going to go into town, get her some food, and I think I'm going to stop at that Chicken Express. Well, it's not Chicken Express, it's the other one. And get me some chicken for lunch today with some gravy. That sounds so good. Gouda. So, I don't know what else we're going to do. So I guess we'll find out. So y'all come along with me. Oh, and let me just say, the other day when I did that subscribe campaign, if you haven't already subscribe. You can always unsubscribe later, but it helps me out. And thank you for all the new subscribers. I think I got 30 subscribers just out of that little subscribe campaign. So that was fun. Thank you so much. And I hope you stick around. But let's get in the truck and head to town. Okay, I'm headed into town. It's already hot here. Sweating. Air conditioner is going to feel good on the ride there and back. And then I will just sit in the shade the rest of the day. But I'm not taking the van because I tried to get insurance on it through Progressive. They won't insure it. I don't know why. The lady said she couldn't find it. I tried to do it online and they said I had to call. So I called and she said she couldn't find it. I'm like, it's a passenger van. She kept saying, is it a not a 4x, a cargo van? I said, no, it's not a cargo van, because she kept wanting to send me to commercial. And I'm like, it's not a cargo van, it's a passenger van. She still said there was no way for her to select what it is, the option. I'm like, I don't know. Is it just a thing in, is it Texas or is it all across? No. Where do you have your van insured is the question I'm asking. Put in the comments below. Because then I went to Geico, tried to do the same thing. Nope, couldn't cover it. Why? So the van is sitting there. Of course, here's the weekend. And today's Sunday, so I will try again tomorrow. Then I tried AAA online, and it suggested me to go to Progressive. I'm like, it's just a vicious cycle. So the van doesn't have any insurance on it at the moment, so it's just sitting there looking pretty. And so I can call who I had the van listed with, I guess, in the past, and see if they can insure it. And then there's when the lady sent me to commercial, the guy's like, no, it's not a commercial van. I said, I know that. But he said, here's a phone number for an insurance company that will probably insure it in your area. So I will call them on Monday, and apparently Progressive sent them a heads up about it. But anyway, that's the insurance issue on the van. So if you have a van mine's a 1997, by the way. So if you have an older van and you have it insured for somebody that's not local, put in the comments below. I might check them out, see if I can't get a quote. All right, on the way to Walmart. You ready, Sammy? She said, not really. Not really. And the wind is supposed to be about 20 miles per hour today. So I'm going to try to beat the wind too. That really won't happen, but all right, here we go. To town we go. Oh. Whose idea was it to go to Walmart on a Sunday? On a Sunday right after church. It's 12:28 now. That was crazy. Crazy. But Sammy needed food, so I had to go. Had to endure it. All right, let's see if I can go get some golden chicken at the chicken place. I don't know how big their parking lot is, so we'll see if I can do that. Whew. It's gonna be a scorcher today. It's already hot. It's time to pull out the shorts. Oh, good. They've got a good parking lot. Yay. Yippee, yippee, yippee-yay. All right. Sammy says, where are we? We are at Golden Chick. Yep. So I'm gonna go in here and get me some chicken and gravy. Okay, dokie. Well, that took forever. I think they lost my order. And then she brings it out in a plate. I said, it's to go. So it was messed up from get-go, but I got it now. And I knew it'd take longer because I got the fried okra. Let's see how the okra is. Pretty good. No napkins. I have one from somewhere else. And gravy. Gravy. And chicken tenders. I'm sorry, baby. Oh, it's hot. Good, but hot. Wow, I'm gonna have to let that cool off. And after I finish this, we're headed back to the cabin. The people that were right in front of me, there was 3 of them. They're already finished eating and they're leaving. Yeah, it'll take a little while.